Hello guys, today we are making a simple recipe for you once again, Jamaican sorrel tea. Yes, you heard that right. Most of you are accustomed to having your sorrel drink at Christmas time, but you never thought of having it as a tea, have you? Today we're going to show you how to do that, okay? Okay guys, here are ingredients that we're using. We'll be using some pimento berries, yes, some cloves, just a few, no specific measurement, some sugar for sweetening, and here is our dried sorrel that we'll be using. All right, ginger and a stick of cinnamon, and that's the sorrel that we'll be using, the dried sorrel. All right, so let's get to it now. Okay guys, here we have 2 cups of water that has come to a boil already. What we're going to be doing now is just adding our cloves, adding our pimento, cinnamon stick, and the ginger. We're going to grate the ginger. The ginger, whether you grate it or blend it or beat it, it will be just about the same. Don't worry about it. We're just grating it over on this one here now. You could just beat it and drop it in, but when you grate it, I guess the flavor or the strength of the ginger get dissolved into the water a little quicker, that's all. Great stuff, good stuff. Wow, this ginger smells quite strong, I can tell you that. Ooh. Yes, awesome. Wow. Oh, look at that. You can just drop that piece in and scrape these off. Refrigerator. Oh. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm going to cover this and leave it to boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. Alright guys, this has fully boiled and released the flavors into the water. And really you don't have to boil it that long if you don't wish to. You can just boil for a minute or 2. And then on to our next step now. Okay guys, something I should say to you, this sorrel that we purchased in the pack, even on the package itself it reads wash thoroughly, alright? So you're going to wash it thoroughly before you actually pour your hot water on it, okay? And this is about 3 to 4 tablespoons of this dried sorrel, which is quite potent usually. Alright, there you have it. And as I told you in my December video when we made this sorrel drink, the sorrel is also called the agua de Jamaica, which means Jamaican water in places of Latin America, and in places of Africa it's called a sobolo drink. It's also known as hibiscus. Quite a few names for this. So hibiscus is known in other English speaking places, and also in Asia they call it the hibiscus flower, Alright, just a bit of info for you there that we had said in our video in December. Just in case you missed that sorrel drink in December, you can have a look at that also. We'll put it in the description for you to give you some more information on it. Now look at that guys. All our other ingredients are boiled now, and we're going to just pour it onto the sorrel, okay? Because we didn't want to put the sorrel in. However you make your sorrel, one thing you should try not to do is boil it. You just want to pour the hot water on it like that. Great. Awesome. There it is. Now we're going to just cover this for about 5 minutes and allow it to steep. We didn't put it in hot water because one thing we don't generally do is boil the sorrel. We don't let it boil. What we do is draw it. That's what we mainly say here in Jamaica. We draw the sorrel. So this is our way of doing it. All right. I'm going to cover it now and leave it for about 5 minutes like I said. Then I'll sweeten. Okay, let's see what's going on in here after the 5 minutes. Ooh, la la la. Oh, this is looking so red. You see that? I'm gonna give you a little chance to see it a little better. Okay, look at it now. It's nice and red now. And the dried sorrel, however dry it is, once you apply the hot water to it and leave it there for a little while. See how it's all swollen now? That's it. And the colors have come out. There it is. It's ready to sweeten. We're going to strain and sweeten right now. All right, here we go. Oh, now my little kettle has some little pores in it for the trapping of the sorrel, so all of it hasn't come out, but that's just a little bit of what came out in our strainer. All right, so but if you're pouring it directly from a pot or so, you'd have more coming out in the strainer, where you'd be advised to use a bigger strainer. Now for the sweetening, I'm going to add here, it's actually 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, right? And this is sweetened to taste, guys. You're sweetening this to taste. No magic formula going on here. You're sweetening to taste. You can have this with or without sugar. Powerful drink this is, it's packed with antioxidants. A really very healthy drink that the body really needs. Again, in the description you can get some more information on it, and we'll put the link to our other sorrel that we made when we made the sorrel drink, so that you can see really the difference, because most persons will have it cold like I said, but never hot. Now there you have it, guys, our Jamaican sorrel tea ready to consume. If you like this video, remember to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Until next time, see you. Ciao.